This conference will now be recorded.
So this session I am discussing about how to search files and folders. So I am in a Linux system now. So I'm going to log into the Linux system. I can log in as a root user by su command. So for example, I created some folder in some location. So in the TMB folder, I created some files. So I created a file called my expense.txt file. So I created one file here, expense.txt file. So in the TMB directory. So I want to search this file. Suppose I went to the root directory and we forget where we copied the file, we don't know. So we can search this file by using find command. So find, and we can search for the name we are searching. So the file name is expense.txt. So we can see that it will search in the current folder. So I am currently in the root directory. Find hyphen name expense.txt means it will search for the file with the name of expense.txt. So it will search the complete file system and it will tell that so in the TMB folder this file is there. So that way it will search. So it will be searching the complete file system and it will be taking some time to find out this. So now if you want to search, I can search another file I am searching. Find I am telling that this is my place I want to search. So it will only search the etc folder, because in Linux there is a lot of folders are there. So it is not going to search in all the folders. It will search in the etc folder with the name, password. So there is a password file we want to search, but it will not check in the complete Linux file system. It will check only in the etc folder with the name of password. So we can see that in the etc folder we have a password file. etc palmd folder also one password file is there. So this way we can search the file using the find command. And also we can search by using another command is also we have locate file. So we can give a locate command also. We can see, we can suppose we have some image or something is there, we can do locate command also. We can use in so many places. Image is there, so we can see images are coming in this file name. So all the images we can search. This when we do this command, the locate command, so we want to search for password or something, uh, it will be showing the result very immediately, very quickly. It is very fast comparing to find command, because the locate command is searching this in a index. So in Linux they have an index of all the files, so they will check the index and they will get the result. Sometimes in a new system the index may be not created, so we have to create the index. We are creating by one update db command. So it will just recreate the index. So from the index only they are searching it. So we can search by using the locate command also. We can search it. We can also search by using, when we are doing find command. So there are a lot of options. When we do going to cd slash and I'm searching by find hyphen user tom. So I want to search all the file which is the owner is tom. So we are searching it. So we can see that some files, uh, so this folder having some files which is the owner is tom. So otherwise we can create and check it. So I'm going to cd, I'm going to log in as tom user. So I'm creating some file, touch file 111 I'm creating. So I will exit it, and I now I want to search for this criteria. I can search it. So I want to search the file which is created by tom user. So it is searching in the complete directory. So we want to search only in the home, means we can see that in the home directory tom folder. So there are some files are there. The file owner is Tom. So we can search based on that file owner, group owner, and we have some file with a permission of 777. So we, for example, we want to search a file based on the permission also we can search. So touch. So I'm created a file called file 222, and I can search this. So I have created one file. The file name is file 222. So I'm going to give a permission chmod 777 file 222. So I want to change the permission of the file to 777. Sorry. So now I want to search all the file which is having permission of 777. So I can give this command find. I can give the permissions I can give. So I am searching for the with the permission of 777. So it is showing that this script file and this file also having 777 permission. So we can search for the size of the file is less than. So we can see that we can search for the files based on the size. So we want to search a file with a correct size of 10 MB, or we have files plus than greater than we have greater than 10 MB. So we want to search it. So where we want to search, so I want to search in a root directory, and I want to search any files which is having size more than 10 MB. I want to check. So we can see that in the proc directory or somewhere, these files all are having sizes of less than 10 MB. So I can check the size ls-l. So it is showing a result backup file, backup.tar file. It is showing the size is more than 10 MB. So we can see the size is that is this much size is there. So we can check based on the size. So we can say size will come like we can search plus 10M, minus 10M means less than 10 MB. We can search. So I can search for files which are created within 150 minutes. So I want to search all the file which are created within 150 minutes. I can show some files were created within 150 minutes. All are showing here. So there is another important option is you can search based on the folders. So folders we can search. Type means D means folders it will show. So link it will show, or it will show the block device it will show, file it will show. -F means we can see all the files. So based on the type we can search it. So we am in this place. So we can see that there is one folder I will create. So my folder name is dir5. So I want to search based on my type D means it will show only the folders. So how many folders are there, it will show. So we are searching in etc directory, but in the current directory I want to search. So my current folder I want to search wherever the folders are there. So we can see that there are dir5 is there. .ssh is also a folder. So when I do ls-a, it will show hidden files. So we can there is a .ssh folder is there. So we can search for based on the file type, whether L is for link, B for block device. So we want to search all the link in the system. So we can go to cd/ and I will give find. I'm giving hyphen type is equal to L. I am giving. So we can see the all the link are showing. How many soft link are there? Lot of soft links are there. So it is showing. So in this all are soft links. So bin directory is also a soft link. They are telling ls-l. So we can see the lib is a pointer to the other folder. So bin directory is a link pointing to the other folder. So this all we can do. So these are important command, find command and locate command we can use for search option, and we can do lot of searching options we can give. So this session we are discussing about searching files. Thanks for watching.